To achieve the best user experience, your SharePoint solution has to work as intended, but also has to have a fantastic user interface. That means the UI has to be intuitive and modern looking. How you can achieve this, I'm going to tell you in this video. You are done with building your SharePoint solutions. All your forms are done and all workflows are set up. Congratulations on that. Now the last point is styling, because the design of a SharePoint solution is really important for your end users. When the design has a modern look and feel, is intuitive, and the user journey is smooth, then the user acceptance will increase for all your SharePoint solutions. And that's what you want, because you don't want to build a SharePoint solution which is not going to be used by end users. Your effort should be worth it. That's why you don't want your SharePoint forms to look like this. They are boring, they don't look like a modern software, so you want your forms to look like this. They look like a modern software setup. They look like something users know from other software tools, and that's when users are happy using your solutions, when they want to work with it, and when user acceptance increases. I know the hassle of form styling in SharePoint. It's a lot of effort and a lot of little things you have to think about. That's why we worked on a solution to make it really easy for you to style your forms as you just saw it in our example. This is the form we are going to style today together. It's the same form as you already saw in our examples a few seconds earlier. The first step is to go to our skybow portal. We will provide the link to the skybow portal in the video description. There we have a collection of all the styles we are providing for your SharePoint forms. Then go to Community and choose the first featured post, which is Form Style Samples Collection. This is a collection of all the styles you can choose from. Today we're going for this style, and for that we have to click on the link for GitHub. There we have the styles to download. At first we download the style for the display form. Secondly, we download the style for the new and edit form. Always remember, you have to download the style for the display form and for the new and edit form. Those are different styles. Then we can go back to our skybow Solution Studio, which is the #1 low-code platform for SharePoint. There we have our form, which we just saw, which has no styles on it at all. So what we need to do now is go to the Styling tab and then import the styles we just downloaded. We take the display form styles, and what we are asked now is if we want to append the downloaded stylings to an existing style, or if we want to replace all the existing styles. In our case, we want to append it because we already have a few little stylings done. Once we have appended, you can see that all the different items now have styles. We just have to save and close it, and all the styles are in the form. We can now have a look at it. As you can see, all the tabs look way different. They have a way more modern look, and the user interface is more intuitive to work with. I hope this few hacks help you having fun styling your SharePoint forms next time. If there are any questions left, don't hesitate to write them in the comments. We're going to answer as quick as possible. And if you want to know more about how to build smart SharePoint solutions, don't forget to follow our channel. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.